Hi everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome. I am here to show you a new product that I bought. And this is Mela Caroline. I do tarot readers, read cards. I'm into the reader, and yeah, this is something just I was gonna do it at the sofa, but then it brings so little screws and all that, and I'm there. You know what? Why not? I'm gonna make a video. So because I got sick of people stealing my stuff. Like I ordered 3 times like an order, and automatically it disappeared. I reported, of course, and to the bank. So this is the Blink Video doorbell. You might want to get this. Nah, nobody's paying me to promote this. I just do it on my own. Why? Because I got sick of people stealing my stuff. Usually I get my stuff, but if I'm not here, imagine. Another thing is that, yeah, I tell one of the neighbors that, oh, it's about to come. It's about to come. Guess what? That day when I came home, I have nothing. I'm knocking her bell. I'm knocking the other neighbor. No. But you know what? I could report it, but still, I did report it to the bank though, to get my feedback. So I think I'm gonna have to do 2 videos of this. Not only I bought this, right? You could go and choose the one you want. It's different prices, okay? 200, 259, 99, 59. It is different. It depends what door you have and how much you want to spend. I bought this thing, this the mounter, to put the doorbell inside at the door. And I'm not gonna lie, I already opened it, but like I saw that I couldn't do it just like that. I took the plastic off on this, and this is the background. And I decided, let me just bring it here and I could see it better. I was gonna do a short, one of the short videos, but I'm there like, first let me just do a long video, because then I got too overwhelmed with the short videos and trying to do things fast. All right, so of course you have to log on to have the website, and to connect this, it brings batteries too, and one of these little wires, and to Google, so you could have your thing installed, so you could see when you're not home, you could see anyway, and that's the best thing. Then you have proof and who's taking your stuff. That's one thing. So this one, really, I think that, let me see, what is this for? It brings this little metal thing that I will find out what it is about. Okay, that little metal thing was, is to open this once it's shut. This is like the key. All right, so I came here because the lightning, you see that small things? It's like, it's hard to see. All right, we put this one to the side. So I got this one, right? This one came in today. I was waiting for it since yesterday. I kept on really checking so nobody could take it away. So this goes in the door. I don't know if you've seen it before. It goes in the door like this. And yeah, it brings this little screwdriver and all this cushion inside, and this is really solid, people. Like, it's not a plastic thing, you know. It's really good. So I'm gonna just make this right now because I have to concentrate, and log on in my phone, so it bring all these things inside, so you could, where you put it in. So I'm gonna be doing all this little thing today. That's my project for now. Let me see. Yeah, maybe by 4 o'clock I'll be done, and maybe faster. Who knows? You know, it's little details, but once I get to it, I will get to really fast to install and log on in my phone. So I need to get off the phone to log on to this thing. It looks like a lot, but it's not actually. And it brings extras here, screws and all that for your door. It depends what kind of door. This is really small. I might not need this, but who knows. It brings the batteries, and I'm just gonna start unscrewing this and all that stuff, all that good stuff. And yeah, actually this one didn't bring a screw. This is from this. I'm just gonna try, maybe. I don't think this is gonna work. Gonna have to look for something else. I'm sure that I have something. I've got a lot of hammers and screws and all that stuff. Trust me. Yeah, this girl gets down to it. So this is the way it's supposed to be. Like this. And of course, this has to be like this inside the camera and the door. And it brings, yeah. So this is what I'm gonna be doing, this little fun thing. I can't get to it in front of you because I need another screwdriver, and I need to download the app and Google and put all that good stuff, all the information down, my passcode and all that stuff, and create an account for this. I believe so. So all those little steps, imagine that's gonna take too long. So I'm gonna tell you how it worked out and show you how I prepare it, and then I'm gonna show you where to put it, probably on my door. The final touch. I might do that, and this is just for now. I know I had done videos of healthy eating, workout, tarot, dancing, and who knows, by this and having a good time, eating healthy and out eating, and you know, those kind of art, because you know, all that creation of food is like art to me. And my art too. I'm a painter. So if you didn't know that about me, that's one of the little details about me. Of course, I'm a Scorpio. You will never get to know everything about me. Not really. But some of my personality, some of my creation, of course. You know. Well, anyway, love you so much. See you in a little while. I'm going to do another one. I forgot my tick, so I could turn it off. So I'm going to turn it off with my finger. So I'm going to be putting all these things inside and download the website and all that. I didn't want to do it until it got here. Oh, another thing is that I decided I was not going to order no more until I got this. And they're like, because I know this fits inside, and it takes less chance than putting it in my doorstep and, you know, around. And somebody just helping themselves to your good things, to your money, you know, because they're like roaches. You don't invite them, they don't pay rent, but they want to be around, you know, of course. So I'm dealing with those little things lately. Those little pests, little things around, you know, helping themselves without paying rent. Well, anyway, guys, I might do a video about that, about some chemicals and stuff. Who knows? Stick around. See you. Bye.